go home. That's the problem. Yeah.
I don't have money! Ilo na siya sa kakaikot sa
Yeah. That's the problem. She don't have money.
Money!
Sabi niya, give money daw. Oh, yeah. What's the problem? How we will go home? We don't have money. Give us money.
Why me? I'm asking also for money!
Even me, I don't have money. Ask mommy if she has some money.
I don't know where I will get money. From where I will get money?
Oops.
Where? Call daddy. I don't have money. Yes.
So yun daw.
This is not money.
Dad, sabi niya, Dad. Oh, Dad.
This is not money.
You cannot,
I will go home. I don't have money. You don't like this? I don't have money. Money. Kevin forgot to give me money.
Me?
Joy,
Yaya Joy. Yaya Joy has no money also. No salary. Yeah. Maybe mommy. Maybe mommy has the money.
Mama no. Mama no.
Yeah. Hey, please help us. How we will go home? We don't have money.
You go get money.
Go
Go get money. Check if you have money in your room. Come on.
You ask
We
Tita
don't have
Mayan.
money.
Ask Tita Mayan.
Otherwise, I'll sleep here. Go get money. I don't have money.
Problemado na siya. Problema niya yung walang pera si
I
Anne.
don't have money. Sarah.
Sabi nga niya, meron si Titag Manny sa akin pumunta, di ba?
Chup-chup na siya.